this is Crypto for You. Today I'm talking about what's going on the Bitcoin chart and give a little update. So, today we actually got rejected off of $14,000. We did go to $14,100 on a wick, but we got rejected for $14,000. So, what could be happening since we got rejected out of that and what I think will happen? All that and more in this video. So guys, you guys can see that we got rejected out of this, and if you go actually on the 5-minute chart, not the 1 minute, that's like too small, but on the 5-minute, you guys can see that we actually did go to $40,000, but we had a wick on the 5-minute chart too. So somebody, let's look if there's actually a wick on the 1 minute time frame. So somebody bought and sold $40,000 in 2 minutes. That's funny. So we went above 2 minutes, so we went up $100 in 2 minutes. That's actually cool. But of course, we're actually falling again. We did actually have a big rise, and you guys can see that since we're having this big rise, we're in this rising channel. This is actually bearish side. This is called the channel top. Everything else we can actually delete. This is called the channel top. This means that we actually fall about where we actually started to come. Of course, that is actually 11,800. 11,800 is 1, a support, 2, in the Bitcoin futures, it is where a gap ends. 3, the Fibonacci retracement. If this is like a wave 4 or wave 3, yeah, wave 3, you can see that this, let's just say that was wave 1, and then we have like wave 2 right here, and then wave 3, and then wave 4 goes to about this level, and then wave 5 goes up. So that is another thing. That's number 3. So this is a strong thing that actually is saying that we're gonna go down to there. Also, there is a hidden bearish divergence on the RSI. If we delete like that, see, this is a bearish divergence, and you can actually kind of see it on the daily time frame. So this is really strong, guys. So I expect us to actually fall to 10,800, and that's where I think I could. If you look at the 20-day, you can see that it is actually at 12,500 right now, 12,600 by the time we're going to come there. So that could be some support. And if we go back on the 4-hourly time frame, we are testing the 20-day moving average right now. The 200-day moving average, however, is at 11,800. So maybe we could fall to the 200-day moving average, tap it. You know that all companies, there's like companies that buy on the lows and sell on the highs, and so they buy when we actually get tapped on the 200-day moving average. And if we tap the 200-day moving average, you guys know that after we tap and get supported, usually we go higher. You guys can see that we tapped it right here and we went super high. We could have like another tap because we can't go on forever. We could have another tap, fill this gap, then we could go higher, and that would be the Fibonacci retracement. This could be wave 1, and then after wave 1 we could have like, let's just say wave 2 to 11,800, and after that we could go higher to like 17,000. So this is really bullish stuff actually, guys. So after we fall there, let's see how much percent this is. This would be like a 15% drop. That's where we could fall. After that, I always say that we could go 10% higher than the last high. And so 10% higher than the last high is 15,400, which of course I said in some of my videos, if you guys watched before, that I had a triangle that says goes to 50,200. And this triangle, remember the big triangle right here, guys? Remember this? Since we broke out of it, it's take us to $23,000. So this is actually really bullish, because in the long term, I think that we will go to $23,000. This could be the start. So this could be like wave 1, then Fibonacci retracement to wave 2, and then we could go to 11,800, 50%. Not 50, 15, and after that we could go higher and maybe like do 17, and then go down Fibonacci retracement, and then go to like 20, and that's going to be the 5-wave move. So we could be at $20,000 by the end of the year. That would be actually really great. By the end of the year, if we go on like this, we could be actually at 20,000 by the end of the year, which is right here, which is $20,000 right here. So all we got to do is go from here to here. So guys, that's what I think could happen. So we could fall from here to here, 15% to 11,800, and after that, really bullish in the long term that we could be going up to $20,000 by the end of the year. See you guys next video. Bye!